All right, so we're out here at the Traeger. Like I said, it's been going for about 20 minutes, going through its warm-up procedure.
What temperature are you at now?
So right now, it's set all the way at its max, so it's about 450, almost 400 degrees. One little thing that I've added on that I've really fallen in love with, you see these additional grill grates? And we can talk about that later, but these are great because it really adds a lot more consistent heat and gives it some really nice char, especially when I'm roasting or grilling.
And you can't do it now, but those can be flipped over and have a flat surface.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
But they hold on to the heat really well. And then I put the chicken in. You can hear it sizzling on those grill grates. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to close it all up. About an hour and 15 minutes. That butter's going to melt, keep basting on the inside of the chicken. It's going to be awesome.
And that's all you have to do.
That's pretty much it. I let it go for an hour and 15 minutes. I'll check the temperature, both in the breast and at the thigh, just to double check and make sure we're at the right temperature. We'll talk about that when we pull it off.